So Mr. Bloom has kind of commissioned us to help him design and fabricate a lunchbox shelf. He's got hundreds of lunch boxes in his home. He wants to display his favorite 12 or 9 or 12 or 9. Anyways, he came across with an idea, and we're going to build him a little list of materials he needs and price it all out based on a sketch he provided for us. He's thinking something like this. So I'm hoping I have the correct write-up here of this lunchbox to know what's going on. Hold on. Lost my, there it goes. So he's thinking, he came across this idea of putting a lunchbox maybe here, and then another one maybe here and here. So 3 there, so 9 lunchboxes. All right, I thought we know 9 lunchboxes. Okay, he said he found some wooden shelves that'll fit in this bracket we're going to make to display his lunchboxes on. So the shelves he had found are exactly 12 inches deep by 36 inches long. That means the bracket we're gonna make for him here, where's my marker? Oh, it's gonna be that. The bracket has to fit, so the inside has to be 12, inside 36. Remember for the plant plug cart we made? Inside 16, inside 24. Okay. This is inside 12, inside 36. So that means these have to be a bit longer than 12 or longer than 36. Overall, he wants from the underside of this shelf to the top of this shelf 12 inches room. So underside to top side 12 inches. All right. He wants above this 2 inches of room, below this 2 inches of room. He wants this shelf to be flush with this bracket. That's ready tomorrow in the video. So this shelf also flush with that bracket and flush. All right. So here's some numbers you got to figure out. Overall, can I switch markers? I can. All right. Overall, we're going to call this big chunk right here. This is going to be the left. Whoa. Let's erase that. Try that again. This is going to be the. Try that again. Okay. A lot smaller. I'm learning. This is going to be called the wall frame. So the wall frame, left side, this big chunk here, you can barely see it, is the wall frame right side. Here would be the wall frame top, wall frame bottom. Okay, this wall frame has got to be 2 inches, 2 inches, this 12 inches plus that 12 inches plus this thickness plus this thickness plus this thickness. He's got 1, 2, 3 chunks of angle iron. And for his boards he needs to have the angle iron 5/8 thick. So he's got 3 of these chunks of 5/8 angle iron. So you figure out its overall length. 2 inches plus 5/8 plus 12 plus 5/8 plus 12 plus 5/8 plus 2. That's going to be the overall length of the sides of the frame. So the sheet here, where it says wall frame left and right sides, well, I'm going to need 2, right? 1 for the left, 1 for the right. Give a description of it. What is it? So again, give a description of it. What is it? And then total length needed. So it'd be the length of the left plus the right goes here. Okay? Top and bottom frame. We need 2 of those, right? Describe them. Give me the length. Those lengths again are going to be, I should know, it's going to be, well, if it's going to be flush here and flush here, the outside has to be big enough to fit this board. So it's going to be 36 inches plus the thickness of the angle iron plus the angle iron thickness. In this case, angle iron is, I saw it here, didn't I? Come back. It's 5/8 by 5/8 by 1/8. So that means it's going to be 36 plus the 1/8 inch on this side plus the 1/8 on this side. Okay, so you got those. Done, 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 and done. The next. The shelf frame, front and back. Shelf frame, left and right. So on the shelf frames here, here's the frame. We'll call this piece here the frame, shelf frame front, shelf frame back, shelf frame left, shelf frame right. Can you figure out the links? Think back to that plant plug cart. Maybe you have these B36 and you have these have the lap on them. Whatever you want to do. All right. To figure out, here we have 1, 2, 3 fronts, 1, 2, 3 backs. So fronts and backs, we got 6 total. Lefts and rights, we got 1, 2, 3 lefts, 1, 2, 3 rights. So we got 6 total there. Give a description of them, give total length of them. All right. Add all the stuff here up. Give me a total length we need for a balloon shelf. And then based on our vendor we use for our metal at school, it's called Core-Mark Metals. They're out of Minneapolis. I fired up some hot rolled angle iron, some 5/8 by 5/8 by 1/8 inch, and they're asking $28.03 per 20-foot stick. So 28.03 divides out to $1.40 per foot. So give them an estimate based on the shelf he wants. Okay? And good luck.